My fellow country people, I greet you now. From anywhere you are, I thank you. I greet you today. You get wetin I want address, especially these our guys where we say you go just send person message, whether on WhatsApp, Facebook, or any social media. You go dey ask the person to assist you with one thing or another. If the person tell you say the thing no dey, you go turn am to quarrel. Abeg, I use God beg una. We all know what is happening now. Everybody get their own challenges. Everybody get their own things to do anyway. As e hard for your side, na so e hard for another person. You go use as your side be, take compare how the thing be for another person. So when I know they take things personal, when things are going fine with you, you know to remember that person when you dey chat o. When things are going very well with you, you cannot for one day chat that person, hey bro, how far now, how you dey do, how your family, how everything. Just tell the person say you just chat to check up on him. You no go do that one. But now when you go need help from that person, now you go remember say such person dey exist. Then if the person tell you say the thing no dey, true, the person go tell you say the thing no dey. You know what? You no even want to know whether the person they tell you true or not. The only thing where you go just do is to just type a HMMMMMMMM, meaning what? Bro, you no put them for anybody pocket to say make it for you. I dey tell you, as it hard for you, now so it take hard for anybody, for everywhere. As we did here now, you know they blame our government where they donate billions of dollars, go give, may they take fight the disease where they go on now. They no fit do accountant general office now don't burn. Wetin happen to all those money? That money now entered into some people's accounts, enters some people's pocket. See, no be say the thing they make me vex now, because for me now to just come here talk am, I don't know who go see am and who no go see am. I don't care, but it's not the first time, it's not the second time, it's not the third time. This thing don't happen severally. Now it make me they talk this thing while they talk. To whom it may concern, please make we respect ourselves. You have responsibilities, I have mine as well. Okay? No be say you go ask person for something, the person tell you say you know that you go take am personal, you go dey talk blah 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 blah. See, in this life, let me just tell you, you not go dey think say people where they abroad they use broom sweep money for street. Okay, you know they like that. You know they like that. E red for everywhere. You don't know what person they do to survive. Make I tell you, your 1 year house rent back home is not even up to, see what we pay here in a month. It's not, that is a pass your 1 year house rent back home. Electricity bill for 1 month for year pass electricity bill where you go pay for 1 year back home. Nothing dey easy anywhere, no dey easy at all. Make I dey tell you. So if you ask person for something, if the person give you, appreciate am. Don't be say you go dey open your mouth, it's small, see what you can do, you wey dey abroad, this that blah blah blah. Or guy, you no put am for anybody pocket. Respect yourself, appreciate the little you have. You called, that person answered, good and fine. Some go call, as he no dey for that moment, take am say he no dey. No be say you go take am personal. Okay? I know why I dey talk this thing. Whoever see this thing, if it concern you, amend your ways. If you no concern you, no come there come dey put unnecessary comments. Make we respect ourselves. Abeg. You dey cry say una don stay barely 1 month for house. What do you have to tell somebody that has been at home for 2 months plus? You don't even care whether the person they work or not. You don't care how the person survive. The only thing where you go to do is say you just they ask for help. You not even ask that person how the person they take survive, whether it's easy for their side. And if the person tell you story, you go begin see him as say the person no one help you, or the person just they form things or whatever. When I still get luck, say na just when I still they do within state, when I still they work out within states. What do you have to say? If you just stay only in your home, you cannot go outside. You cannot, if they see you for street, they arrest you. That one you no go think am. Your own na to just ask for help. I didn't say asking for help is bad though. If you ask for help and the person helps you, take it as that is, no see it as, no matter how little, just appreciate it. Just appreciate it. For the person doing that thing, it's not easy. If the person tell you say you know they, take them say like, just take them like that. You know they say you know they. If things normalize, then we go as they roll. Okay? They will not just they scatter things. Go they scatter your relationship with people just because you asked for something and the person didn't give you. Man, you wait there. How many people you don't help? How many people you don't help for that your area? How many people you don't help? How many people you don't support? Just because the person didn't give you at that moment, you just open your mouth, they scatter yarn. Boy, think twice, oh. Think twice.